Poetry students, it's your instructor, Cody Miller. I'm here with a short video to help those who have to post their poems tonight, but also those who have to post their poems within the coming days. I want to make sure that you understand the process of attaching that to a forum post and creating that forum post. So as you can see, I've shared my screen with you here. And what I'm going to do is I'm first going to click on the smaller assignments, schedule, and reading response area of Moodle. So we'll simply navigate to that page. Should take a second to load. We're going to scroll down all the way to where it says the workshop post and responses, so that label. And then we're going to go in here to group 1 workshop poem and follow-up post. Just so you're aware, I will send this video out as an announcement, but also I'll have it posted here underneath the workshop post directions after I finish the video. So when we click on this, let me make sure that I switch into student mode here for a second. That's not a step you have to follow, but a step I need to do, so I'm able to show you what to do, okay? So you see we've got a couple of them posted here. What you need to do to add a discussion and to add your poem here, you simply click on Add a New Discussion Topic. When it comes to this page, you have 2 things that you need to fill out. One is you need to give it a title, so you can simply type in something like Cody Miller's poem. And then you also need to make sure that you fill in this box because it's required and will not let you post without it. So you can simply type in something like, here is my poem. So do not copy and paste your poem into the box here, because if you do that, it loses the formatting that I've asked you to have for your poetry, which is largely single spaced, and you want to maintain that partly because of line breaks and white space use, all those things that we've talked about so far. So you want to add a document by going down here and clicking on files. So you'd click on that, then you would click on upload a file, and it would allow you to browse or documents, and it's from there to just like attaching something to an email or uploading something to Moodle as you typically would. Once you've done that, you come down here and you say post to forums. So I hope this video is helpful in showing you the way to post with an attachment in these forums so that we can do workshops properly over your first big poem that we're writing for the semester, either a scaffolding poem, an imitation, or an erasure. Okay, so email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.